Hello, travelers.
And I'm here back too.
Along with this video, I will introduce you the historical place, the bridge on River Kwai. In my previous video of floating market, I give an idea for the place. So this is a historic place from my Thailand travel diary. The bridge on River Kwai is a historic place situated in Kanchanburi province. It is a construction of the Burma railways in 1942-43 during World War II. How do you get from Bangkok to Kanchanburi? Well, we had gone through our own car. We booked through the hotel itself. But you can opt the option train. Trains to Kanchanburi depart at 7:50 and 13:55 from Thonburi, all known as Bangkok Noi station in Bangkok, located on the west side of the Chao Phraya River. Another option is a bus. Kanchanburi's only bus station is located among a clutch of market and shopping centers at the center of town, just north of Sangchotu Road. Well, many has a question, that is Kanchanburi worth visiting? It may not be the best known place to visit in Thailand, but it is so very important. So yes, Kanchanburi is worth visiting. Traveling from Bangkok to Kanchanburi by train was easily one of the favorite experience in Thailand. It's a much a part of visiting the town as crossing the iconic bridge on the River Kwai, exploring the Giat War Museum. See, the museum I am talking about is this. We had an extremely delicious, typical Thai lunch, Thai curry, Thai noodles, Thai rice, etc. in a restaurant on bank of River Kwai. See the yummy Thai veg food. Let me clear, veg food, as I am a vegetarian traveler. Well, Kanchanburi is down in province of the same name in the west of Thailand, approximately 135 kilometers from Bangkok. It's famous for a number of significant historical sites, including the infamous Death Railway and the bridge on the River Kwai. Many of you must have known the movie. Is based on the same place, and name of that movie is also The Bridge on the River Kwai. Well, I haven't seen the movie, but I am aware about it. I have read the article regarding this in my childhood in one my magazine called Safari magazine. The area is a must visit for anyone with an interest in WW2, but there is a plenty here for everyone. Bridge on the River Kwai, Giat War Museum, Allied Worlds Crematory, Namtok, Hall Fire Pass Memorial and Museum, Bampo, Viaduct, Irwan National Park, Sayok National Park, etc. Among all them, we had visited only two places because of time limit. the bridge on the River Kwai, and Jat Bird Museum. So basically we had a very unique experience in this place. So at my end I am recommending, if you are visiting Thailand, you are in Bangkok, please spare 1 day's time to visit this historical place. The Songkran Thai New Year Festival celebration at Kanchanburi. These are deaf and dumb people and their organization. So the way they are celebrating was little different. They are worshipping God Buddha. So friends, I'm sure I'm justifying the place through my photographs. See you with some more. Bye bye.